Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get achievements in Marvel Rivals. To begin, familiarize yourself with the game's achievement system, which often categorizes tasks into combat, progression, and character-specific goals. A great starting point is to consistently complete your daily and weekly challenges, as these frequently align with achievement criteria. Always check the in-game achievement menu. It's your best resource for tracking progress and discovering new objectives. Understanding these fundamentals will set you on the right path to unlocking many rewards. Many achievements revolve around your combat prowess and hero mastery. For instance, you might need to defeat 3 or more enemies with a single ultimate ability, or achieve a certain number of eliminations in one match. To maximize your achievement potential, make sure to play a wide array of heroes. Each character often has unique achievements tied to their specific abilities and playstyle. Dedicate time to practicing with different heroes to truly understand their kits and unlock their full potential. Beyond combat, many achievements are tied to your overall progression and collection efforts within the game. This could involve reaching a specific player level, perhaps level 50, or completing a certain number of Battle Pass tiers. Collecting all available cosmetic items, such as unique skins, emotes, or victory poses, often contributes to a dedicated achievement category. Furthermore, always keep an eye out for limited-time events. These frequently offer exclusive achievements that are only available for a short period, making them quite rare. Teamwork and strategic play are crucial for unlocking many of the more challenging achievements. Some objectives require coordinated efforts, like capturing a control point within a specific time frame or preventing the enemy from scoring for a full minute. Aim to win a set number of matches across different game modes, such as 25 victories in quick play or 10 in competitive. Adapting your playstyle to counter enemy compositions and working effectively with your teammates will significantly increase your chances of securing those hard-earned achievements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.